Hey, it's Chef K. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing cheeseburger and fries casserole, so stay tuned. Do this a lot. It kind of seems like every video has me putting hamburger in this skillet, but let's keep on moving. Gotta have that Killer Hogs AP. Alright, we're gonna brown that up. We're gonna put the pickles in too. Oh yeah. So next thing we're gonna do is put these tater tots in to the oven. 425 for 20 minutes. 20-25 minutes, something like that. Spread those babies out. Alright, we got the meat going here. And we're going to put this soup, chicken soup in there. That's going to be part of our base. Cream and chicken soup. Let's do a couple. More flavor. Yeah. We got both of those jars or cans of cream and chicken. Let's get a jar of double cheddar sauce in there. Oh yeah. Alright. One cheese. We got more cheese coming. Jar of cheese. 2 cans of cream and chicken soup. 2 pounds of hamburger. We drained the hamburger. Alright. So we got it close. They're called crispy crowns. The crispy crowns. What? Get the crispy crowns out here in a little bit. Put those in there. And have more cheese on top. Cheese topping. We got our tater tots here. Gonna shove them off in the 9x13. We got a 9x13 dish here. Got some hot, crispy tater tots in there. I'm just going to kind of even them out. Not going to get too fancy. Alright. Meat and cheese going in. Alright. I'm going to get this thing cheesed up. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350. Or we're going to do 20 minutes and then we're going to look at it. Actually, I think we're going to do 375. Let's get this thing done. It's hot outside and nobody wants to be in the air conditioning with an oven. So we'll get this grated on here, spread it out a little bit. We'll get it in the oven, 375, 20 minutes, then we'll check on it. We want to get it bubbly all the way through. We want to get a little brownness, a little color, a little brown color on it. I don't want to seal it off with a big old cheese blanket that I got to cut with a knife, so I'm not going to get real crazy with the cheese on it. Alright, now we're going to put it in the oven. Come back in 30 minutes or so. It is out of the oven. Of course, the pickle thing is totally optional. We like pickles. I like pickles. I'm going to put these on here, and then I'm going to stick this back in the oven. I've already turned the oven off. It was at 375. I'm just going to put them back in there. Put this back in there for maybe couple minutes. Just heat the pickles up. I meant to sit them out, but I didn't, so they're cold. Which wouldn't be bad, but let's go ahead and heat them up and do that. Let's put it back in the oven. There it is. Heat it up. Pickles went on last. Those are Hamburger dill chips, by the way. Alright, there it is. Super cheesy. Really cheesy. Got some pickles there. Got a lot of cheese. Hamburger. Those crowns are down. Those tater tots are down in there. Like I say, you can leave the dill pickles out if you want. I like mustard. So I'm going to dress mine with a little bit of mustard, not a lot, and a little bit of ketchup. Cheeseburger and fries casserole. Hey, it's Chef K. Hope you enjoyed that. Think about hitting that button and subscribing. It helps a whole lot. And if you like it, hit that like button too. We'll see you next time.